Do you know that posting at the wrong time on YouTube will be one of the reasons you are not getting the views you want or the subscribers that you see other channels getting, even after putting in so much work to create and post quality content? Yes, timing matters a lot when it comes to posting content on YouTube. It's important that you study your analytics so as to know the perfect timing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your YouTube analytics to know the perfect time to upload your videos so that your videos can reach more people. And secondly, it is important for you to know the countries that are watching your content, the gender as well as the age of people watching your content, as this will help you to know the right kind of content to dish out to your audience. Without much ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to install the YouTube Studio app on your mobile phone through the Google Play Store. And after installing the app, go ahead and click on it. And this is how the interface of your YouTube Studio looks like. You can actually use this Studio app to track down the entire performance of your channel. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on Analytics on these icons below. And once you click on it, you are going to be seeing Overview, Contents, Inspiration, and Audience. So all you need to do next is to click on Audience. After that, you are going to see Returning Viewers and also see this graph here. This graph here tells you if your videos are doing well or not by the number of new viewers or returning viewers coming back to view your content. Right now, you can see down here when your viewers are on YouTube. This is usually displayed as a purple heat map. You can also see that we have all the days of the week, Sunday, Mondays to Saturdays. And you can equally see the time, 12 a.m., 6 a.m., 12 p.m., 6 p.m. Now, if you take a closer look, you will notice that we are having three different shades of purple color here. The light purple, the medium purple, and the darker purple. What this means is the light purple shows that a few number of your viewers are online around this time period. Then the medium purple that looks like a little bit dark shows that a good number of your viewers are online around this time and day. While the darker purple indicates an active period when more of your viewers are online. Next is the ages that are watching your videos. Like for me, I have 13 to 17, 18 to 24. In fact, I have all ages watching my videos. Also for the gender, both male and female are watching my videos. Next is the geographical locations watching your videos. You can see that in my studio dashboard here, I have India, the first country, United States as the second country, and Nigeria as the third country. These are the top 3 countries watching my videos. I also have the United Kingdom, Kenya, Philippines, Pakistan, Canada, South Africa, and Ghana. But yours might be totally different from mine. So what you need to do here is to pick out from the top 3 countries watching your videos and check out their time. Then post your videos around that time so as to get your viewers to watch your videos and you will get lot of views. Here is another important tips that can help you. Try posting your videos at different times each week for like a month. and track down your video performance, like the views your videos are getting around that time you post, the engagement, the watch time. And after a month, analyze your results and pick out the best time that works for you. And once you get your ideal time, try to stick to that time in posting your content on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that YouTube gets to notify you when next I drop an amazing video like this. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you in my next video.